Hi, in this video let me show you how to input your paper in your Epson EcoTank ET-2803 printer. It's actually on the back. Over here you're going to find a small flap that you can open in this position. And you're going to notice, okay, right on the back here there is a gray piece. If you stick your fingers on the side and you pull it up, you can make it rest on its back, and this is where the paper will go. There's also two blue guides over here. If you're going to print on envelope, you don't have to pull them on the extremities. You simply need to open them slightly. Same thing if you're printing on 4x6 photo paper, and you need to glide your paper between these two. In my case, I want to print on a US letter size. Therefore, I'll push these things to the extremities. Take your stack of paper, align it, and simply glide it. Just like that. If you take a look over here, on this blue guide, you have an arrow with a line. It's important to never load more paper so it goes above the line. Always stay under the line. If not, the paper will get jammed in your printer. So once you're done, you can go ahead, close this flap, and this is about it. Every time you input paper in this printer, you're gonna get asked on the screen over here to confirm if you have loaded the same paper that was previously there. Okay, letter, plain paper. This is what I loaded, therefore I'll press OK to confirm. But if you have changed, let's say I have loaded some glossy paper 4x6, in that case you're gonna go select change, press OK, and then select the right paper you have input. The printer needs to always know what type of paper it has there, because it's not printing the same way on glossy paper and on plain paper. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to get some paper for this printer, even photo paper. So check this out, like, subscribe, and leave a comment.